All right, boys and girls, day 20 of your May Daily Math. This is it, okay? We have made it. Hopefully you've had fun doing this. It's good review, it's good learning, it's good stuff. Number 1, 15 nickels is how many cents? 15 nickels. How much is that altogether? Well, we could probably count 15 and do it like 5 and do it 15 times. So you could go, okay, help me out here, ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75. 75 cents. Whew, that was a lot. Okay, let's try this way. If it's 5 cents, let's do what's 5 times 5. Yeah, that's 25. Good. And what's 5 times 10? 50. Okay. Let's add those two together. Hey, that's the same thing, isn't it? We could break that up and do 5 times 5, and we could do 5 times 10, or 110. That gives us the same answer, 75 cents. Number 2, fill in the numbers to make this true. Okay, we have a comparison fraction here. Okay, oh, we did this one a while back. This was like mid-May, I think, something like that. We did a few of these problems, and it was like numerators. Now remember, that's the number on the top of the fraction, numerator, and how we compared those. So we're looking for this number to be greater than this number. So we're going to have different denominators, but the same numerator. This is the one where we want to think backwards. So hold on, I'm going to turn around. Now I'm facing backwards. Okay, that really doesn't help. So let me just turn back around. Here we go. We kind of got to think backwards though, right? Because if there's a lot of pieces to make up 1, then it's not going to be very big with having 3. But if there's only a few pieces, 3 is a much larger. So let's pick this number to be, how about 7? Okay, that means this number over here has to be greater than this number. Okay, I was going to say less than that because I was looking at the same. So if this is 7, this could be an 8. Would be the smallest number it could be. Okay, it could be a 9, a 10, 11, a 12, 13, 14, 15. Anything else, as long as it's larger than 7, you got that. Okay? All right. Here we go. Number 3. Ooh, partition the flowers and shade them to match each fraction. Okay, here we go. Let's do this one. And then there's this one. And there's this one. We'll just make nice big circles. Yeah. All right, so this one says 3/4. Okay, so I'm just going to go down the line here. And we're going to put it into 4 equal spots. Or 4 equal, little curvy line on that. So 3/4 is our first problem here. And it says to shade in the matching, or the part to match the fraction. So there's 1, 2. Okay, I have 3 of the 4 pieces shaded in. This time, it's going to be about the same thing here as far as the number. I'm going to go like this. 8 is kind of like pizza. I like to think that is like a pizza fraction almost, okay? Because a lot of times when you order pizza, this is the way they have it sliced. If they do it this style, some people go 3 this way and 3 that way. You get the little corner piece. Used to be my favorite as a kid. So this time we're going to color in 5/8. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 out of 8. Okay? The last one is 2/3. So here's about the middle-ish. Okay, so it's going to be something Kind of like that. All right. And we want 2 of the 3 colored in. So we're going to color in 1 and 2. There's our 2/3 right there. Okay, number 4. Thanks for your help with that one. Ah, super good job. Hooray, hooray. Time to say goodbye. Write the current time and draw hands on the clock. All right, look at my watch. Oh, I'll look right here up at the computer screen. It says 3:03. All right, 3:03. I'm going to whip around. Okay, there's 3. 1, 2, 3. 3:03. Okay, and that's what my hands look like. You might have a different answer, because if I'm doing this at 3:03, you're probably not doing this at 3:03. But if you were, wouldn't that be crazy? Same exact time we did the problem. That would be amazing. All right, last one here, guys. Number 5. I better write 3:03 so I don't forget. What fraction is 1/8 less than 1 whole? Explain your answer. Okay, 1 whole, and we're going to use this one right here, okay? 1 whole, how many pieces are there? Total. There are 8. Very good. Okay? And we have 8 make up that total. So there's 1 whole. This would be all 8 out of 8. If we colored in 8 of the 8 pieces, we'd have 1 whole pie. Okay? Now, what fraction is 1/8 less than 1 whole? Well, if we just didn't have this one colored in, but we had the rest colored in, we'd have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 1/8 less than a whole would be 7/8. Okay? Explain my answer. Well, 8 minus 1 equals 7. That's kind of a way, right? But we kind of did there. You know, we left 1 open, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 out of 8 would be 1/8 less than a whole. All right, so boys and girls, awesome work. Hey, way to get through May. Way to keep working hard. So proud of you guys for working and doing this. I know it wasn't easy. Pat yourself on the back, because we don't do that enough. Give yourself some credit for all the hard work you've done. And you know what? Go hydrate yourself. Go get a nice big glass of water. Give yourself a little cheer. Mom or dad a nice hug and say thanks for your help. You're awesome. All right, boys and girls. We will talk to you later, okay? Bye.